Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Cooper's Violet. Hey, I got a standard question for you. I haven't been able to find it on the internet. I have some what appears to be oil coming from my vents. So when I blow the heat, I have oil coming out of my vents. Like I said, I haven't been able to find it on the internet. When I do, people think I'm talking about the grill in the front of the car, and I'm not. So if anybody out there can help me out, I'd appreciate that. This is on a Honda CRV. Pardon my dirty dash there. I'm a working man.